Okay, fine. Yesterday, a few members reached me regarding that few doubts, right? They are not able to install the Java. So you can ask your doubts meanwhile, guys. So whoever is not able to configure the Java, just share your screen and show the issues what you are getting so that we can resolve it. I think Sheikh, Rishendra, these are the two persons who reached out, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So
Let me share my screens.
Yeah. Go one by one. Simply, what's your doubt? I didn't get you.
Is my screen is visible?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm when I click on the path, nothing is going on, sir.
Okay, okay, 1 minute. So did you added it in Java Home? Okay, fine.
Yes.
Is this office laptop or your personal laptop?
Personal laptop, sir.
Double click on the path.
Yeah, I have clicked on, sir, but nothing is opening.
Okay, scroll down. Select the PS module path.
Okay.
You're not able to click on it too.
Yes, sir.
Did you connected any VPNs?
Oh, no, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. So just click on OK and come to the CMD and search Java version. Java space version. Java is not recognized. It should be open actually. So not sure why you are getting that issue. Shave issue you are getting, Shake. Shake, you are getting the same issue what Rishandra is getting.
అంటే ఇంకొంచెం ముందు నుంచే అది కొంచెం చూపిస్తాను సార్ ఒక నిమిషం.
Open that path once, Rishandra. Just go back and search environment variables in the search bar. Yeah, yeah, not this one. Just search environment variables. Yeah, 1 minute, 1 minute. Which one you clicked before? Control panel above one or else edit
Second
environment.
one, sir.
Click
This
above
one, sir.
one, edit the
Okay.
system environment variables.
Mhm.
Click on environment variables.
Okay.
Now you can click on that path.
Yes, sir.
What you
I
can do
got it.
is click on new
Okay.
and add that path.
Oh,
Just
okay,
go
sir.
to that C drive Java. Yeah, bin folder. Copy the path. Paste there.
ఇప్పుడు
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And after completion of the class, once restart your laptop and you can get
Mm.
figure out. Okay. You can
Okay,
try
sir.
here. You can try Java space version. If it's not updating, you can restart your laptop after completion of the class.
It didn't got updated, sir.
Yeah, it will be updated. You can refresh and you can restart your laptop after class then. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. What about you, Sheikh? You can share your screen now. Yeah. Okay, fine, Shilpi. You can try to download that today or whenever you get time in this week. Okay. It's not an issue. Prasanna, Rahul, you guys done?
yeah, sure.
Yeah, share your screen, Sheikh.
Sir,
Yeah,
sir, my screen was shared.
I'm not able to see your screen.
Wait.
Are you sharing your screen?
Yes, sir. Is it useful? Is it useful, sir?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, sir. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి జావా ఫైలే కనబడట్లేదు.
You haven't installed, I think so.
Wait a second.
If installed, you can copy that folder
J-
there. Yeah, you
JDK.
installed, but you didn't extract the file, right? So it's a zip folder.
uh,
So you can
um,
extract that bin.zip, not that one, above one. That is tar file for Linux users. Above one, click on above one. Yeah, right click, extract it, not go like this. Extract that folder, go to downloads. Yeah, extract, right click on that first file, extract all. Yeah, extract, click on extract.
I just opened the JDK file, sir.
Yeah, now you can check that whether it is there in the C drive or not. If not, you can paste it in the Java folder. Just go to the C drive. Not there.
No, sir.
Go back and go to the x86 programming files. We have another program files, right? Not there. Not there. Not there. Go to the C drive. Yeah. In program files x86. Yeah. And here also it's not there, right? So what you can do is copy that extracted folder from the downloads. Copy. Right click.
Um, uh,
Copy. Copy.
copied. Copied.
Okay, come to the C drive now. OSC. Yeah. Go to the program files.
Sir,
Below
this,
one,
sir,
below,
this.
below one, below one. Yeah. Below one. Yeah. And
Yes.
right click and create a one folder which is named as Java. Here only right click. Don't go anywhere. Yeah. You can create there also. New folder. New folder.
Continues.
Yeah. Name it as a Java.
Okay.
Yeah. Paste that copied folder inside the Java. Go inside the Java. Paste it. Yeah. Now you can get the path and edit in the environment variables. Go inside, go inside, inside. Yeah, select that path, go to the environment variables. Environment variables, not system comment prompt.
Okay.
Yeah, click on environment variables and click on
Okay, sir.
new, above one, above one. Yeah, give that variable name as Java underscore home, capital letters. Underscore, not hyphen, underscore. Home,
Version, sir.
home,
Java version.
home,
Oh,
home, Home, home. Yeah,
okay, sir.
paste that value in the variable value. Okay. Come to the path in the second system variable. Click on the path. Double click,
New, sir.
double click. Double click on the path. Yeah, click on new. While you are clicking OK,
Sorry, sir.
click on new. Paste that path. OK,
Right.
OK. Apply or OK, whatever we have. We'll have an option, right? Below,
Sorry, sir.
below, below you have some option OK or something that stops sharing IDs or covers it. The one, below one. Yeah. Yeah. Click on OK. 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 Yeah. After completion of the class, you can restart your laptop and you can verify the version. You can try it now. If it's not updated, you can Java
Okay.
J capital remaining small. Yeah, space hyphen version. You can restart your laptop after completion of the class and you can search it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, done. So guys, do others anyone have doubt? Shilpi, Tirupataya, Rahul, Prasanna, any other doubts so far which we done in the yesterday's class? No doubts, right?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Let me share the screen. Okay, fine. So yesterday we have discussed, I think you guys are able to see the screen which I'm sharing, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So in yesterday class, we have discussed about what exactly the Java is and why we are using the Java as a programming language and how it is compatible with Selenium tool and who developed the Java and who are maintaining currently, what are the tools we have, how can we download the Eclipse and IntelliJ. These are the things which we have gone through it, right? So hope everyone is clear with the yesterday's class. If anyone is not present in the yesterday's class, please try to listen the recording session. Okay, so this is the last and final free class for the people who is not yet joined into the batch. From tomorrow onwards, you get changed with the meeting link. Okay, the people who already from the manual testing, the same link which you joined before has to be joined from tomorrow, and the new people who joined only for the automation to get updated with the new link. Instead, people will share you the link of that what you are going to join from tomorrow. Okay. So in the today's session, I just want to explain about the how the interview rounds will be there, how you guys has to prepare for the automation. Okay. It was very important. So why I have taken this topic for the today is if you are clear about that how the interviews will be there, then you have an idea while I'm teaching automation concepts, you can get the things very easily and you can catch the things very easily. Okay, that's why I planned this is it like a free session, because after this everything is paid sessions from the tomorrow. You are not able to proceed further from tomorrow classes if you are not able to confirm your slots. Okay, so what you guys can see here is today we are going to discuss about how automation interviews will be. There is a reason also why I opted this topic for today. Actually, yesterday I thought that to explain the Java, starting the explanation of Java core concepts from today. But I just want to tell the things before going to the concepts. Okay, so if you are aware about these things, then you can catch the things very importantly, right? So mainly we have service based companies and product based companies, right? You guys have the difference and know the difference between the service based and product based companies. Any idea? Any idea, guys? What is the difference between service based companies and product based companies?
For single person purpose, we are using
Single person purpose we are using.
service based, sir. For multiple purposes, multiple persons, uh, that's called product based. If we
Yeah.
develop a software or app, any app,
Yeah, great. What you said is correct. If we develop any software for the single person, like if any person reach out you to build any application, for example, Tirupati is the person who want run a business as like a Uber, okay, but they can change the new name. Okay, he want a clone app of the Uber. Reached the company, I'm the head of that company, for example. That person reached out me to develop it. Okay, I developed with the help of my team and I have given that software to the Tirupataya. It is service-based company. Product-based company means they have developed their own product and selling to the multiple peoples. As like we have Amazon Alexa and Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, Microsoft. They have developed their own servers and they're selling their cloud storages to the people. That is product-based company. So why I'm telling this differences again that service and product-based companies means that inter automation testing interview level will be different in the service and product based companies. Okay, so if you observe that in the service based companies you can have manual testing roles and automation testing roles. I will give an examples also, like for service based companies we have TCS and we have Capgemini. CTS is nothing but Cognizant, and we have Infosys. Okay, these are the major companies which we have as a service-based companies, and it has the manual testing role and automation testing role. For manual testing role, they are going to ask the questions, concepts from the manual testing only. And for automation testing roles, they are going to ask the questions from the automation testing only. But coming to the product-based companies, how it will be there will be SDET one or two roles. One or two roles. What is SDET one or two roles? SDET one means software development, engineering, and testing. Okay. We can call it as technical staff also. Sometimes we can call it as an automation, SDET, software development engineering and testing, or technical. We can use it in the different technologies. Okay. So what exactly it means? It indicates the automation testing role. It indicates the automation testing role. You may have doubt that we don't have any manual testing part in these product-based companies. Of course, there will be there the manual testing roles. Without manual testing, the complete application will not be automated. It's a truth. Okay, if anyone tell that that complete application can be automated, it's a myth. Okay, we can't automate the complete 100% of application because we are not sure about a few requirements and we are not executing that cases repeatedly. Then we can't automate, right? So there is a particular scenarios where we can automate. First, we should have the manual testing test cases, and we have to check from there what all cases are feasible to do the automation. What all cases are feasible to do the automation. Okay. So if you observe that SDET 1 or 2. Okay, so in product-based companies also we have the manual testing. But what that interview panel will do is they will take interviews only for automation testing. Why? Because if they take interviews for the automation testing, if that person check that that particular person is having the knowledge on the automation testing, then they will get an idea about that. Yeah, if they are okay with that automation testing, then they can do the manual testing also. Okay, so how that product based companies are focusing now is they are recruiting for the automation testing roles, but inside the company they are having the manual testing responsibilities. Why? Because currently that project is doing the manual testing. In future, if they want to convert 50% or 60% of their task into the automation, the person should have the skill. That's the major reason why they are looking for the automation testing skills, even if that project is from manual testing. Okay, so that companies we can call it as Google, like YouTube. YouTube is also the product of Google, and we have the Amazon, and we have Salesforce, and we have ServiceNow. Okay, these all are the companies what we have majorly. Okay, so we have many things, Microsoft. These all are the companies what we have. So that's, if you observe that the major focus is you to get a job. If you have a career gap and if you have difficulties to get into the companies, then focus on the service based companies. Okay, so but you have the good enough skill, you have the great knowledge and get exposure on the automation testing after learning the course, you are ready to do any of the tasks which asked by the interviewers, then you can opt for the product based companies. The difference here is in the service based companies we have the not like less, but we'll get somewhat good packages. Like we have, for example, if you have 3 years of experience, let's talk about the freshers. Freshers, we have 3 to 5 lakhs per annum. 3 to 5 lakhs per annum will be there for fresher. I'm talking about in the fresher level because I never discuss about the packages for the experienced people because it's purely depends on their current package and the market both. Okay. So here you may have doubts. So then how can I compare the salary with my market, right? So it should be the 3 to, sorry, 2.5 to 3x. Okay, for experienced people, how you can compare your salary with the market is 2.5 to 3x, where x is experience, where x is experience here, right? So for example, Rahul is having the 5 lakhs package and he is having the 2 years of experience. Okay, so Rahul is having the what I can say, yeah, Rahul is having the 3 years of experience. So if we assume that 2.5 into how many years of experience that Rahul has? 3 years, for example, right? So 3 to 3 into 3. What will be the package? 7.5 to 9 lakhs per annum. Getting my point? Getting or not, guys?
What is the current package of Rahul, sir?
We can't check the current package here. Okay, we can't check the current package here. So that's what I'm telling, that for experienced people, we are comparing the ratios with their experience. Okay, this is the 2.5 to 3x is the ratio which we need to compare in the market. Okay, as per the market standards, I'm telling you, in the market there will be 2.5 to 3x. Here x is the experience. So for example, Shilpi is having the 5 years of experience. 5 years of experience means 2.5 into 5 is nothing but 12.5. On 3 into 5, 15. 12.5 lakhs to 15 lakhs per annum package will be there in the market for the how many years of experience we took now?
5 years.
5 years. Getting my point? For 5 years of experience candidate, there will be package of 12.5 to 15 lakhs in the market. So beyond that, we are not able to, if you know the market, how it will be there for that particular experience, we can ask the HRs in the interviews that, so right. So for example, in market, we have only 12 lakhs, but you are asking 15 lakhs and 16 lakhs. They won't agree. Your offer get rejected. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
We need to go through as the market standards. Okay, it's applicable only for service-based companies. I'm telling again, it's not like for the product-based companies. Okay, product-based companies, it's purely based on your skills. As many skills you have, as much package you will get it. Okay, for example, if you have 10 lakhs for 3 years of experience and you are expecting 100% hike, like you are expecting 20 lakhs. But if you prove your skills that you have more skills, which helps to their product, then they will easily give the 20 lakhs to you. They will give more also. It's purely based on the skills. But coming to the point now, so what type of questions they will ask? Okay, very, very important. Please focus on this, because while explaining the automation concepts, you should be concentrate more on that, right? In automation interviews, what type of questions will ask? The major questions, hardly I will tell you 6 to 7 questions, how like that interviews comes. So whenever you are entered into the interview through the physically or virtually in the office, so first they will ask that introduce yourself, right? It's a common question. Is it or not? You may guys may face many interviews, right?
Yes, sir.
So while introducing, you should be careful about that. Okay, as you got already know that you get some data, right? So you know these type of questions may be asked by the interviews, right? So while explaining the answers, if you are keeping any of the tech stack in that introduction, you should be aware of that. For example, you are keeping the cucumber. You have an experience on the cucumber. You have an exposure on the cucumber. Then when you are keeping that cucumber in your introduction part, you should be aware of to answer any of the thing which is encountered by the interviewer regarding the cucumber concept. Okay. So for example, myself, Rahul, I have 3 years of experience in automation testing in so-and-so company on the domain of banking sector, where we worked on developing the scripts on the already built-in framework with the help of the Cucumber and Selenium by using the Java programming language. Okay. By introducing like this, you have given chance to the interviewer that you are good at the banking domain, and you are good at the cucumber, you are good at the selenium, and you are good at the Java. Okay, these 4 clues you have given to the interviewer. So you should be prepared of all these 4 things, because your next questions will be based on these 4 topics. Not only the service based or product based, everyone will take the interviews like that only. They won't prepare. They won't prepare a question paper difficulty as like the Sinkadada MBBS movie, right? So they won't prepare a tough questions to you. They don't have any curse on you. The basic questions they will take, they're asking is from the inputs what you have given in the introduction. Introduce yourself. Whenever you are introducing, I just now have given example of Rahul, right? So there we have taken the Selenium, Java, Cucumber, And these are the basic things which that Rahul mentioned in the introduction yourself, right? So here I got a chance. For example, I am the interviewer now. So I will ask the questions on that. So how can you generate the reports in the Cucumber? Generate reports on the Cucumber, and why you selected Cucumber instead of other frameworks. Okay, these type of questions we will ask. So for example, why Selenium? Okay, fine, you are using the Selenium. Okay, why Java with Selenium? Why not Python with Selenium? Okay, these type of questions may be encountered. So next type of questions. Okay, so here you may have doubts, sir. We didn't listen the classes on how to generate the reports with the Cucumber, why we use the Cucumber instead of other frameworks. We won't completed the automation course. We just started one class, right? So how can we know the answers for this? Okay, I'm not asking you to get the answers now for these questions. I'm just telling you how that interviews will be. What type of questions they may ask. For example, if you mention the Cucumber, you should be straight away good at about the all the concepts in the Cucumber. I will share the few interview questions by the end of the automation course. I will share all the things with you. So I created a one sheet. I think already one of our member is reach out me. I shared her because she said that she has an interview in IBM company. So that's why I have shared and she prepared. I'm not sure what's the result of their interview. So we'll check it later. Okay, so if you have any interview and coming forward, like when that course is completed, you can reach out me, whatever questions I have and what are the repeated questions I have, I can share it to you. You can prepare it before the interview so that you have an idea, right? So you can keep on applying for the jobs even that course is not yet completed in the automation part. While listening, while learning also, you can apply for the jobs. Okay. So on third type of questions means as everyone is experienced, I think so. As per your introduction in the course, everyone are the experienced candidates, right? They will ask the architecture of your previous project. Architecture of your previous project. So what is mean by architecture? Architecture means if any building is getting constructed, we have a plan, right? What type of material is used and what type of rooms, what are the sizes of the rooms and where we have the facing east, west, north, south, right? In similar way, while writing the framework also, we have a framework. For example, this is a basic project you are seeing now. Okay. So I have used the Cucumber here. I have used the Cucumber here. So in this, I have created under the Java folder, I have created the utility files. And here on the test resources, I have created a feature files. There will be some framework structure, right? So without structure, we can't imagine the test cases. Okay. Even though we can run all cases in a single file, but it will be difficult to trace the errors if we got any program syntax errors or else any of the web locator errors. We can see many issues. Okay, structure is nothing but framework is nothing but we have to follow the proper structure to get introduced themselves, like what stack you are using, what stack you are using. Okay, so for scheduling the jobs, what you are using, I will discuss all this in the coming days, how to explain the architecture. This is very important interview question. Okay, majorly we have three rounds of interviews, right? Three rounds of interviews we have mainly. Two technical rounds will be there. Whatever company it is, either it is product or service, two technical rounds will be there, and one managerial round will be there. I skipped the HR round. It's a common round. They won't ask much question. It's all about the package discussion, right? One will be called HR round also. Total four rounds if you count this one, right? Two technical rounds means in the first technical round, it's not much difficult. Okay. Here, two technical rounds. First technical round is not much difficult. Round one, we can call it as. Round one, we can call it as it's not much difficult. Okay, so they will ask the basic questions like web locators, and after that they are going to ask few questions related to that if any test cases are failed but it is on priority, then what you need to do. Okay, you will get an answers for those if you practice the things only. Okay, for example, there is a on priority test run which need to be completed by today, but due to the change of the experts and all those things, you are getting all those cases of getting failed. So what you guys has to be do now? These type of questions. Okay, you guys will get these things by practicing only. Even if I explain you, you won't get it. Okay, if you practice, then only you can get the things. All are the basic questions. All are the basic questions. For example, if you are using the Java, what is this operator? What is constructor? Okay, some concept theoretical, and they are majorly focused on logic building. Okay, they will ask Java programs in the first round. If you are good at writing the logics in the Java program, then it was very easy to crack the round one. Then it was very easy to crack the round one. And coming to the round one, round two, it was a bit difficult. Coming to the round two, it was a bit difficult. They are going to ask like CACD tools in high level. They are going to ask. So how to schedule the jobs. Okay, so this is all about writing the framework and executing the cases, right? So after executing the cases, we have the advanced features that we can run that test at any point of time by scheduling the jobs in Jenkins CI/CD tool, and we can store it in the Docker container. Okay, these are some advanced things, okay, which will comes under the round two. Okay, so in round two also they will ask the architecture related questions. In round three, if they missed any of the questions from the architecture level, framework level in your previous project, it will be encountered in the round three, which is called it as managerial round, which is called it as managerial round. Okay. If by God grace or with your skill, you can crack this all three rounds, you can ask whatever package you want based on your current package. If it is service-based company, follow these rules. For example, if you have this 8 years of experience, you can ask 830 up to 24 lakhs you can ask. Okay, that is the market package. Okay, in what exactly happened is in COVID. Okay, if you observe that in COVID, they have given a lot of packages. Okay, lot of packages are there. That recession is also come after the COVID, and most of the people also lost their jobs. But now they are not giving much packages, and currently market is also not good. Okay, so keep this point in your mind. Currently market is also not good. Please try to give the appropriate numbers while asking the packages. Okay, for example, if you keep your resumes any of the portal, HRs will call you. Okay, the HRs will take the 2 points answers from you mainly. One is your notice period, and second one is your expected package. Check this market, and as per the market, you can ask. Okay, first thing. And second thing, if you are immediate joiner, you can tell. They are mostly giving preference to the immediate joiner. So, okay. If the HR will get appropriate result for these two questions, you will get scheduled for the interview shoot. Okay, so any of you have the notice periods of 2 months or 3 months, don't tell that interviewer that you have the 2 months notice period and 3 months notice period. They won't schedule the interviews. Okay, so you can tell them that, yeah, I can join immediately, and first try to get schedule the interviews and try to give you an interviews. Okay, so that you got an experience in the real exposure from the real interviewers, how they're asking the questions, you get an exposure, right? So after that, if you got selected for any of the company, then you can keep it that yes, on priority project is going on in the company. I'm really interested to move to your company, but I need some time like 45 days or 2 months. We are going to close that project in my current company, and then I can move to your company immediately without any delay. You can tell whatever you want. First of all, getting an offer is very important, right? So, and we can see that you can observe that if you have 3 months, 2 months notice period, the HRs won't agree. If agree, then you can tell at the point of initial call only. So I too seen many HRs in the previous calls that if I tell the 3 years or 3 months experience, 2 months experience, like a mock, I am doing some calls to the HRs to get to know how they are, what they are looking. So the most of the HRs are told that they are not looking for even 45 days waiting period also as a notice period. They are looking for 15 to 30 days, and they are looking for immediate joiners because so many members are there without job, right, in the market. So if we tell the 2 months and 3 months, they won't schedule an interview at least. If you tell that immediate, and if you tell last your working day without, even if you are not serving, if you tell, you can get the things very easily. Okay. Then try to get the call first, get scheduled interviews, then you get an experience, right? So it's all about the virtual interviews are going on mainly, right? Few companies are looking to be attended in an office. It's not a difficult if you are from their metro cities. For example, if they're asking to come to the office to give interviews in the Hyderabad, if you're from Hyderabad and here, you can give it. It's not a difficult. It will charge only 100 rupees or 200 rupees to book the cab and go and give an interviews, right? But you will get an experience, so that it was easy to collect the questions, what type of questions they ask for your experiences, and then you can prepare for it in the further rounds. Getting my point? Clear? Clear or not, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is all about that interviews concepts today. Okay. So in the coming class, maybe on Friday, I'm going to take a session on the resume preparation. And Wednesday, Thursday, we will talk about we will start the Java concepts from tomorrow. And I will take a break on Friday. After 2 classes, I will explain you the resume building and how to apply for the jobs. Usually it takes at the end of the session, but why I bringing that concept into the front is, so if you are prepared with your resumes and if you know how to apply for the jobs, you can start applying from now. At least by the completion of the course, you will get the calls from the HRs if you follow some procedure to apply for the jobs. Okay. Getting my point? So please try to be join every day. And from tomorrow onwards, Java core concepts are going to be started. Whoever is not confirmed their slots, please try to confirm your slots by today. So the link gets changed by the institute from tomorrow. You will get that link in the group which you already created. If you're already in, you will get that link updates. And if not, then you are not able to join. Okay. If any doubts, you can ask me now, or else we'll close the session for today.
హలో
Yeah.
సార్ ఎక్లిప్స్ అండ్ ఇంటెలిజే డౌన్లోడ్ చేశాను నేను.
Okay.
అది అంటే కండిషన్స్ అడుగుతుంది. ఇంటెలిజే వచ్చేసి మొత్తం ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసిన తర్వాత రీస్టార్ట్ చేశాను సిస్టమ్.
Okay.
సో అంటే లోపలికి వెళ్ళకుండా సమ్ కండిషన్స్ అడుగుతుంది. అది యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయాలా అనేసి అడుగుదామని.
Share చేయండి ఒకసారి screen, I can check it.
ఓకే.
Share your screen.
కెన్ యూ ఏబుల్ టు సీ మై స్క్రీన్ సార్?
No, I'm not able to see your screen, Prasanna. Yeah, it's starting, I think so. Okay. What you need here? So click on launch. That Eclipse will be opened.
Okay.
You are okay with an Eclipse, right? You have a doubt with the only IntelliJ, right?
ఇంటెలిజే ఆల్సో సార్.
Okay, you can click on checkbox there. Continue. And send anonymous statistics. Click. Yeah, it's open. That's it.
అండ్ కెన్ యూ ప్లీజ్ చెక్ అబౌట్ జావా ఆల్సో?
Sorry.
జావా కూడా ఒకసారి చూస్తారండి కమాండ్ ప్రాంప్ట్ లో.
It's not updated. You are not getting Java hyphen version. You are not getting version.
ఐ థింక్ ఐఎమ్
Yeah, click Java space hyphen version and you can check it whether it is installed or not. Yeah, it's installed, right?
Okay. Okay, sir.
Well,
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
oh, great. So any other doubts?
No, sir. No, sir. Thank you.
We are going to explore both the tools, guys. From tomorrow onwards, we are going to explore the Eclipse. Once we are into the real-time project, we'll move to the IntelliJ. Okay, you should have an exposure on both. Okay, so far for 21 batches done, right? So far we have gone through Eclipse only, but I'm introducing the IntelliJ also from this batch because you should aware about the IntelliJ also. So please try to practice on both. Okay, fine. Any more doubts? If not, I can close the session for the day. If any doubts, you can ask me. Prasanna, Shilpi, Tirupataya, Sheikh, Rishendra.
Clear, sir.
Okay, great. So thank you all for joining. So once again, I'm telling if anyone is not yet registered, please confirm with an institute so that they will add you into the group. Okay. So have a nice day. Thank you all. Bye bye.